Sometimes Unreal Engine 5 layout mess up, and I will reset it. And here I will drag this layout, make it mess up. Maybe adjust to here. And this one I also need to adjust it. And yeah, I think this layout is really messed up. And next I will fix it. I will select Window, Load Layout, and Default Editor's Layout. And yeah, this is the default layout setting. And usually I'd like to make the content browser is logged out here, and I will select here. And yeah, this is my family setting. And here I also want to make this layer to here. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.